Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing, or shall we say unlettering? I'm not sure what the best way to call this thing, since we're just opening some cool stuff here. Let's see. Oh, there we go. It finally came in. I'm really stoked about this. Not sure how to open it, but we will try. But what we have here is a very cool coin, and I'm a big fan of everything space, as you guys know. SpaceX and the new branch of the military. Everything that's going to get us a step closer to the moon and a step closer to Mars maybe someday. We'll see. But wow, look at that. That looks amazing. Very good craftsmanship. Very well made. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And of course, any extra funding to NASA to get them up there and to do more studies and things is always a good thing. And now I believe this is an unmanned vehicle here. Not many people know about this cool vehicle here, the X-37B, but it's fantastic. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys like the coin, feel free to comment, and then I'll see you in the next one. Take care.